Throughout history, humanity has often walked confidently in the wrong direction, convinced that the ideas we held were unquestionable truths. But time and evidence have shown us otherwise. Just because something is widely accepted does not make it right or even good. If anything, history teaches us this: we must never stop questioning. Here are 5 examples debunked paradigms throughout history. 1. Geocentrism. The Earth at the center. For centuries, people believed Earth was the center of the universe, and everything revolved around us. It took brave minds like Copernicus and Galileo to prove that it was the sun at the center, not us. The lesson? Consensus does not equal truth. 2. Spontaneous generation of life. It was once thought that life could simply appear from non-living matter, maggots from meat, mice from grain. Louis Pasteur shattered this idea, showing that life only comes from life. What was once common sense turned out to be completely false. 3. Bloodletting as medicine. For hundreds of years, the cure for almost every illness was draining blood from the sick. Kings, peasants, rich and poor, all subjected to this harmful treatment. Only later did science prove that disease was caused by microbes, not bad blood. Even the most trusted practices can be dangerous lies. 4. Cigarettes were healthy. Not too long ago, doctors and advertisers promoted cigarettes as safe, even good for relaxation and digestion. It took decades of research to prove they cause cancer and heart disease. Billions suffered because society believed the lie. 5th, miasma theory of disease. People once believed diseases like cholera or plague were caused by bad air. It wasn't until germ theory arrived that we understood the real culprits, microorganisms. With that shift, modern medicine was born. 6. Modern paradigm at risk. Economic growth, progress. The paradigm. Today, success of nations is often measured by GDP growth. The assumption is that more growth always equals progress and well-being. Why it may be challenged. Growing evidence suggests endless growth on a finite planet drives inequality, climate change, and resource depletion. Some economists and thinkers are pushing alternatives like well-being economies or degrowth models. Potential impact. If debunked, a shift toward measuring human progress by health, sustainability, and happiness, rather than just production and consumption. The lesson is clear. We must question everything. History shows us that being widely accepted is no guarantee of being right. The majority can be wrong, the experts can be mistaken, and the systems we trust can mislead us. Truth demands curiosity, courage, and the willingness to doubt even the most obvious beliefs. So the next time you're told, "That's just the way it is," remember these examples. Question it. Because progress begins not with answers, but with the courage to ask the right questions.